Hi there guys and girls, I'm here now inside the elevator going up on IMAX, in IMAX theater. As you can see, Gagaro, the evil queen of Snow White. Give me that apple. Here it is. How I wish I can catch up for tonight. Shout out each everyone of you, okay? To my mother in Bicol, Fam Bordo, and to my ever-loving childhood friend, Helen Carreto of San Roque, Portbasay. Hold on. Hi! What's the movie available?
Snow White, 10 p.m.
3D.
Wala na ho, nag-start na siya.
Oh gosh! Ano yung 3D nyo?
Minecraft.
Minecraft. So, yun lang ba ang ano nyo?
Yes.
Ang IMAX the whole day for the whole week? Walang ano, I'm substitute or something na swap sila? Oh, wala. Guys, I can't make it for tonight. 10 p.m. Snow White. I don't like Minecraft. It's really for kids, but I would rather. Although I'm watching cartoon movie. Ay, please. Hold on. Somebody will gonna pay. I'm also watching a cartoon movie, but I don't feel like to watch Minecraft. So I'm gonna watch starting tomorrow in Santa Lucia or in Gateway. Sad.
Mga movie ngayon available. Parang available na lang po dito sa director's club na Snow White. The rest for regulars.
So sad. I'd rather eat on my favorite cinnamon rolls downstairs. Sorry. Bye for now guys and girls. Thank you for watching, okay? And I hope you are doing great. Bye bye bye.